LeetCode question number 133, clone graph. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a reference of a node in connected undirected graph, return a deep copy clone of the graph. Each node in the graph contains value and the list of its neighbors. Like this, value and neighbors. Okay, test case format. For simplicity's sake, each node value is the same as the node index. One index it, that means it starts with 1. For example, the first node with value 1, second node is value 2. Aha! Value is the same of the name of index. So the graph is represented in the test case using an adjacency list. Adjacency list is a collection of unordered lists used to represent it finite graph. Each it describes the set of neighbors of the node in the graph. The given node will always be the first node with value 1. You must return a copy of a given node as a reference to the clone graph. Okay, let's check an example. This is original graph, and then copied one must be a different object. In this case, this one is the same object, so it cannot. And then this one is the new object, copied one, and then value is matched, and then position also matched. So this is okay. And then finally, it also the new node. So this is different color, but unfortunately, the position is a little bit changed, so this one is cannot. Okay, how we gonna do that? Okay, in this case, I would like to use recursion because if we implement with recursion, we can implement quite a straightforward approach. So not only straightforward, but also code is very simple and then easy to read. Okay, I want to show you. Okay, first I make the recursion, name is the clone, and this one receive node, and then first I will make the one map, name is cloned. This is map, and then I will return clone node. And then first I will do if node val in cloned, I return cloned node val. If we already made that node, we will return it. So to do this, if a node is null, and then this one null, and then this one null, and then this one null, and then if we try to access null.value, and then it will occur runtime error. So we need to do edge case handling. So not node, then return node. Then next is we gonna make new node, name is copied, and then node, and then node value. And then now it's time to make a neighbor, right? So to do that, we will get neighbor from node. So neighbor in node neighbor, and then I will copy the neighbor, append, because this is the list, and then I will use cloned neighbor. Then it will recall that this recursion, and then pass neighbor is node, and then if this one is already created, just return, otherwise we gonna make new one, and then after made I will return copied one. Does this make sense? Okay, let's check the code. Oh, I forgot one. After created one, I need to put into the map, right? Cloned node val is key, right? And then copied one. Okay, looks good. Awesome. Okay, let's check the complexity. Time complexity is when node is the same of this one. To the generate copy, it also take the same amount of node. So time complexity is the linear time, and space complexity also linear time because we use the clone and system stack. Thank you.